Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Splash Dash Test. Well guys, I have the contestants in this campaign, the Samsung Galaxy J4, Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 and the Infinix Note 5. Well guys, three of these devices will compete in this Splash Dash Test. So what's this all about? Well, I will give these three devices 30 minutes to quickly charge themselves up, and we will find out which of these devices charges quickly in the 30-minute duration. The chargers which comes out of the box in these four devices are your Infinix X Charge and the 3.0 of the Redmi Note 5 and the regular charger of the Samsung Galaxy J4. Well, this one is the underdog and I want to see how it performs, and I wish this device wins from these two, because I like devices who are in the bottom and come to the top due to their performance. Well guys, this video will be quite exciting. I am excited. I hope you are as well. In 30-minute time, let's see which of these devices charges quickly. So guys, all of these three devices are now intact with their chargers. Let's just quickly put on the chargers and find out all of these three devices which one comes first. Well, just quickly turn on the timer, and guys, I will be with you in this all duration and we will see who comes out in top in the 30-minute duration. Well, this comes in handy in number of ways. In your daily lifestyle, the 30-minute charge will give you an idea, a glimpse, which charger is the best, which smartphone will be the quickest, and in this video you will be able to know which one is the best in the quick charge. Well guys, I'll leave you with a terrific soundtrack. Enjoy, stay tuned, watch my video till the end, and we will find out the results. So guys, time is nearly about to end up. I've given three devices the 30-minute duration, the 3000 mAh battery, 4500 and 3000 mAh of battery. Well, the underdog is the Samsung J4, because the 3000 mAh battery is less, so it might charge quickly than these two. Well, time will tell. We will find out. The chargers are the quick one on this, the Note 5 and the Xiaomi Note 5 as well. This one lacks the quick charge because of its lower mid-range category. Well, Samsung J4, let's see. Will the Samsung Galaxy J4 win, or will the Infinix win, or will the Xiaomi Note 5 wins this Splash Dash contest? the time is up. It's 30 minutes now. Let's just stop this baby and we'll see the first one, the Infinix Note 5 on 21%. Okay, Samsung J4, let's see, on 10%. In the last, we will see the Xiaomi Note 5, which is 27%, 21 and 10%. So we have a winner. The Xiaomi Note 5 has won the 30-minute challenge. The speed test is won. The splash dash test is won by Xiaomi Note 5. Well guys, Xiaomi has done it. It is the quickest charger from these two. It has beaten the Infinix Note 5, the Xiaomi. It is the best in this category. Well guys, this is it. Subscribe to my channel guys, and the bell. You can see the bell. Please click the bell guys. Without it, you will not get my notifications of the new videos. Well guys, please do these 3 stuff so that I will be motivated to do more and more videos. This is it. Zubair Ahmed signing off. See you in my next video. So long.